my name is AKK Victor. I'm the project engineer for full automatic welding Crew B here at Abaji. Currently, we are at KP 168 going forward, and the welding activities still are ongoing. Now, the processes include the beveling of the pipe faces. Both faces of the pipe will first be beveled using the beveling machine, and then after that, the fit-up comes. And after the fit-up, using the internal line-up clamp. The root pass, the hot pass will come, and after that we'll now go over to the fillings. So now, depending on the thickness of the pipe, for example, the 17.3 mm thickness, which is the least thickness pipe, you have 8 passes on it, and that 8 passes include the root pass, the hot pass, the fillings, and then the capping. Whereas the highest thickness of 23.8 mm, there you get 11 passes. Now, after the capping, then there is a strip pass where you clean the joints to make it visible enough for the NDT to carry out the process on it. And after that, every other process will now come. So right now, we are still moving forward, and hopefully in due course we'll get to our destination.